your celestial home, shed a ray of light divine. Come, Father of the poor, come, source of all our store, come within our bosom shine. You of comforters the best, you the soul's most welcome guest, sweet refreshment here below. In our labor is no sweet, grateful coolness in the heat, solace in the midst of war. O most blessed light divine, shine within these hearts of yours, and our inmost being filled. Where you are not, we have not, nothing good in deed or thought, nothing free from taint of hell. Heal our wounds, our strength and you, on our dryness pour your dew. Wash the stains of guilt away, bend the stubborn heart and will, melt the frozen, warm the chill, guide the steps that go astray on the faithful